In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language to English on 1688 app. If you're new to 1688, it's helpful to know that this platform is primarily designed for the Chinese market, so English support can be limited. Still, there is a built-in language option that can make navigation easier, and I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to expect. Start by opening the 1688 app on your phone. From the home screen, head to your account area. This is usually labeled Profile, and on many devices, you'll see the Chinese text Wo De. You'll typically find this tab at the bottom right of the screen, often represented by a person or user icon. Tap that to open your profile page. Inside your profile, look for the settings area. It's labeled settings, and you might also see the Chinese word Shiji next to a small gear icon. Tap it to open the settings menu. Don't worry if most of this menu appears in Chinese. The icons and layout are consistent, so you can rely on those visual cues as you move forward. In the settings menu, scroll until you find the language option. It's often called language, and you may see the Chinese label Duo Yu Yan, sometimes accompanied by a globe icon. Tap that to open the language list. If English is available on your version of the app, you'll see it in the list. Choose English and the app will apply the change. You might notice a brief refresh as the interface updates. A quick heads up, even after selecting English, most sections of the app will still appear in Chinese. This is normal for 1688. Think of the language switch as a helpful layer that translates key menus and some labels, but not product listings, seller pages, or every button. Core areas like the profile tab, main navigation, and some settings items usually become clearer, which makes exploring and using the app more manageable. If you don't see English in the language list, that means it isn't available for your current app version or region. In that case, you can still use the same path, profile, then settings, then language to double check later after updates. Watching for icons, like the gear for settings or the globe for languages, will help you get around even when the text isn't fully translated. And that's it. Open the app, go to Profile, enter Settings, find Language or Duo Yuyan, and select English if it appears. With those changes, you'll have a more approachable interface as you browse and manage your account on 1688.